channel. We are looking at this question: find all solutions to the system using Jordan elimination method. And we have the equations. Okay, so without wasting time, we dive in to what? The solution to this question. Please, there's an icon on this video. If you are yet to subscribe, click on that icon and subscribe. Okay, click on like button and type your comments. And finally, don't forget to share the link of this video in your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Straight to solution. The first thing we do now is to write the equation in matrix form, in this form. Write it in matrix form, which will be, we're going to write the coefficients of the x1, x2, x3. For the first one, the coefficients are 1, 2, 1. That's for the first equation. The second equation, the coefficient is what? 2, 4, minus 1. The third one, 1. The coefficient is 3, minus 2. So, the first column are the coefficient of what? X1. The second column are the coefficient of what? Of x2. And third column are for x3. Then, times what? x1, x2, x3 equal to what? Equal to what we have here, which is what? Minus 3, 0, 0. And the question mentioned one particular method to use. We are to use this Jordan elimination method. We are going to combine. This is your matrix A. This one equals to what? Equals to B. We are going to combine the matrix A and B together, and that will be equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 2. Then you put a line, and then you now write your what? Write your equal value 0, 0. So this is what the method we are told to use. Then after that, you do your row operation. What we are trying to do here, if possible, we can have an echelon form. You can have the beginning diagonal to be 1, 1, 1. Okay? So let's see how it goes. So this is 2. When you have the echelon form, it could be below, anything below could be all zeros or upper. This is 2. I want to make this to be 0. Likewise, this one also to be 0. So I can say row 2 is equal to what? Row 2 minus 1. This one times 2. 2 row 1. Okay? Row 3 also, you can also have row 3 is equal to what? Row 3 minus 1. Row 1. So in that case now, my row 1, my first row is a reference points. The reference points. So this one minus this, that's 0. This one is 4. And this one times 2, this one is also 0, 2. And this one is also 0. Here is minus 1. Minus this one times 2. That's minus 3 here. Here is what? Is 0, 2, minus 6. This is 6. That's 6. And then here, this one minus this, that's 0. This one minus this, that's 1. And then minus 2, minus 1. That's what? That's minus 3 here. And then 0 minus this, that's 3. This is sign for swapping. You can interchange it. Row 2 and row 3. And I'll tell you why. Interchange row 2 and row 3. Row 2, swap it. So and that will be equal to what? That will be 1, 2, 1, minus 3. I'm moving this third row to second row. And second row to third row. Okay? So, and that will be equal to what? 0, 1, minus 3, 3. And this will be 0, 0, minus 3, 6. Okay? So you can see my echelon line is forming now. This is 1, this is 1. Okay? And here, I need to make it what? To be 1. So the third row divided by what? Minus 3. And that will give me 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 3. This will be 0, 0, this will be 1, and this will be what? This will be minus 2. So that's what I want to achieve. I've achieved my echelon form. You can see the leading diagonal is 1. Okay, so in that case now this and this will be equal to each other. Okay, so that will be what? No, x1, x2, x3. So that will be x3 is what? It's minus 2. So that one is got in. Then I can go to second horizontal line. This will be this one. That will be x2 minus x3 equal to 3. So I know the value of this to be s2. This one is what? Minus 2 equal to 3. So and this will be what? This is plus. So s2 is equal to what? 3 minus 2. That's 1. Okay? Then I can go to the first line, first horizontal line. I mean the first row. That will be x1 plus 2 times this plus this equal to minus. My x1 I don't know, plus 2 times 1 plus x3, I have it, that's what? That's minus 2 equal to what? Minus 3. So this is what x1 will be equal to minus 3. This is 2, this is minus 2. So that one cancels. So x1 is what? Minus 3. To write the answer in column form x1, x2, x3, that will be equal to what? My first one is a minus 3. My second one, s2, is 1. And x3 is what? Is minus 2. So that finished the solution. Please don't forget to click on the video and subscribe. Subscribe right now. Do it now. And finally, share the video on your social media platform. Begin to do it right now.